Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sync Jira and Notion. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Notion account. If you haven't used Notion recently, go to the homepage and click Login. For convenience, continue with Google and select your account. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace or page where you want to integrate Jira. This could be a project management page or a team workspace. Click on an empty text box and type /Jira. This will show integration options related to Jira. Select Jira Sync and enter your Jira site and authentication details. Make sure the information is accurate so Notion can access the projects or tasks you want to synchronize. Next, select your Jira workspace from the listed options. Then, create a new sync to define what you want to synchronize, such as tasks, projects, or updates. After finalizing, click Done. Your Notion workspace will now sync with Jira, pulling data in real time. If you see hidden groups, click on them to ensure no information is missed. So that's basically how you can sync Jira and Notion. That's it for this video. Thanks.